Loved it, very entertaining.
It was really good. Like before, it was good meeting all the suppliers that we work with.
I found it really interesting to have some face-to-face conversations with our suppliers and work out more about what they do behind the scenes.
Give us a lot of information about how they work, the details that they need.
We played a couple of games.
Yes,
£1 million drop,
Yeah.
which was interesting. We did lose, but we won't worry about that too much.
I won £1 million drop, and this was my prize.
I thought it was really good. It was really engaging and really interactive, which is really fun.
My favourite stall was the Hastings loans, learning about open banking.
I do love playing a good game. So lots of quizzes, chances to win a prize. Really enjoyed that. And then just kind of the ones that I didn't know about before. I feel like I've come away with a lot of knowledge that I didn't have before, which is obviously the point of it.